In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find Kinkaku-Ji here in Forza Horizon 6. Hopefully I pronounced that right. If not, not the end of the world. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, in order to do this, what you need to do is just pause your game. So hit pause real quick, and you need to make your way over to, and I recommend just filtering by region, the Otani region right here. Probably the best point of reference is going to be the Mech My Day event right here. But essentially, just go ahead and make your way to this little like pond area. It's like a circle loop area. It's kind of off the main road a little bit. And just like so, once again, it's right next to the Mech My Day event. You could just go ahead and mark this specific location that I'm currently at. And once you're here, open up your photo, camera. And essentially, you need to take a picture of this guy right here. Simply go ahead and take a picture. And I actually parked my car perfectly for this. Oh my God. But go ahead and take a picture just like so. And once you take that picture, you'll go ahead and complete it. It really is as simple as that. That's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.